Hi, Kaycee. Hi, Rachel.
Don't forget to press
In
enter.
Wonderland. Welcome to the first grade forest.
Choose a day from the list above. Tuesday. Ice cream. 9. Princesses. Sleepy. Today is Tuesday. I like to eat ice cream. I am 9 years old. I like to read stories about princesses. I feel sleepy.
How's this, Kaycee and Rachel?
Greetings, I'm Gregory Woodpecker. Welcome to the first grade forest. Meet my forest friends and visit their tree houses to play cool games and win prizes. And check out that pile of wood over there. That's going to be your tree house. All the prizes you earn will appear inside it. So go build!